Testing. Moving right along on schedule.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us.
Back here at Suds and Shine. Today we basically power wash our walls. So we washed the walls, we did wash the floors, pretty much this is wet. So we handled this portion, Next, since this is the entrance, this is probably going to be done last. We're going to be doing a lot of walking around right here on this brick layered floor. This is going to be the last thing we do. So the game plan is pretty much tomorrow we're going to start masking off the walls so we can do the fresh paint. If you don't know, follow Suds and Shine NY on IG and Facebook to get more updates. However, the colors are going to be white with we got the final colors called lizard green. I thought it was parrot green. And then at the bottom where that gray is going to be our blue, which I forgot the name of the blue, but it's going to be a blue. So yeah, tomorrow we're pretty much going to mask off the walls and do the white paint for now. And the goal is to pretty much hit everywhere that has white paint tomorrow. So that's the goal. And then this is going to be done last. This part, this is like wood, so it should be easy to paint. Paint, doing the first layer of paint. This white is crazy. Did mad stuff. Did that. We got one more coat to do on that, and we're gonna be good. Did that wall. We got to do another coat.